أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون. As for those whose faith is disbelief, whatever, whether you warn them or don't warn them, it's all one for them. They will not believe because their hearts are still seen. ختم الله على قلوبهم ولا سمعهم ولا أبصارهم غشاوة ولا هم عذاب عظيم. Allah has sealed their hearts and their ears, and on their eyes is covering, and for them is a terrible punishment. ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين. And among the people are some that say we believe in Allah and the last day, whereas they aren't believers, hypocrites, the day of resurrections. يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون. They wish to deceive Allah and the believers, and in fact, they deceive none except themselves, and they don't have any understand. في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب عليم بما كانوا يكسبون. In their heart is a disease, so Allah has increased their disease, and for them is a painful punishment because of their lies. صدق الله العظيم.